Hi boys, welcome the videos. How to fix Anthem game not working. First solution. Let's go origin icon and double click. Now select my game library. Okay. Select game and then game. Okay. After click settings options. Now select update option. Second solution. Let's go my PC. Select this local C. Double click. Now select file. Now select origin games. Select Anthem file. Now select Anthem.exe option. Click right and run as administrator. Okay. Third solution. Let's go start and write cmd. Click right and select run as administrator. Now write svc is can now. Okay. Can now press enter and we finish process. Exit and restart PC. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye boys.